all my members and all my subscribers. I love you with all of my heart. God bless you for visiting the channel, for coming to the channel. I really do love you guys and appreciate you. Today I am making a delicious frittata. The main ingredients is the eggs. And you can add anything you want with it. I add vegetables and bacon and sausage, whatever you want to add with it. It's very delicious. You can have it every day of the week, and you can have it Sundays, you can have it holidays. It's very, very delicious. You're gonna love it, you're gonna enjoy it. Welcome everyone. I'm gonna make a delicious breakfast this morning. I'm gonna get this bell pepper. I'm gonna cut the bell pepper and cut up the broccoli, and then I'm gonna fry the sausage and the bacon, and I'm gonna add the eggs to it. So you'll see it as I go along. And blessings to everyone, blessing to everyone. God is good. God is always good. Keep on praising Him, keep on worship Him, keep on adoring Him. He is good, His mercy full to us. So I'm gonna make this breakfast now. I'm gonna cut up all the bell peppers. And this is a very good breakfast. I just dice them. Hope everyone is doing okay and hope everyone is having a great and wonderful time. So I just use this amount of broccoli here. I cut it up. Just this amount I use. Place 3 slices of bacon in the pot for frying. After the bacon is frying, we are going to remove the bacon from the pot and fry the sausage. I'm just removing them from the pot. And there you have them all nicely fried up. There you have it. You can use any oil of your choice, but the oil I am using is Trader Joe's avocado oil, all-purpose high heat cooking oil. That's the oil I'm using. I always use olive oil, but this is the oil my daughter have here I'm using. And 2 tablespoons veggies. Let I test if it's hot. Oh yes, good. So this is our broccoli and our assorted bell pepper, and I'm putting some onion in it. It's a half of onion put in there, and I'm gonna add half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon complete season, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon all-purpose season, and half teaspoon onion powder. I'm just gonna mix them together and add them in the pot. And I'm just cutting up the bacon. Then I cut up the sausage. And the kids will love this. Children will love this because the sausage and the bacon. Nice everyday breakfast, especially Sunday morning. It's a nice breakfast. So we're gonna just rest that there and we're gonna scramble the egg. So let me get the egg ready. So the eggs here, I'm gonna add 4 of these organic eggs in it. Extra large organic egg. I'm gonna add 4 to the dish. I removed the veggies, so I'm just gonna scramble the egg. I'm not even gonna wash the pot, I'm just gonna scramble the eggs. I beat the egg and put the eggs in the pot, and I remove all the little white pieces from the eggs. Because I'm from the Caribbean, so they're always removing the little white. They call it the eye from the egg. So I remove that. So I'm gonna add the vegetables on top of the eggs. I'm not making scrambled egg. I just whisk the egg and I put it in the pot. So I'm gonna put all this goodness on top of it. And this can be a holiday breakfast, Sunday morning breakfast, or everyday breakfast. In every bite you get a piece of sausage and a piece of bacon in every bite. So you just cover that and let the egg cook. Let it cook for about 15 minutes. And I have the stove on and put the stove on medium for about 15 minutes. I like the egg to be well done, but if you don't like the egg to be well done, 5-10 minutes is good. There you have it, family, your delicious frittata. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.